Looking for the perfect holiday dish that will wow your guests? Today we're guiding you through an easy, step-by-step process to bake a savory, succulent turkey breast. Simple yet delightful, this recipe guarantees a delicious result every time. Get ready to impress with a dish that's sure to spread holiday cheer. Before we dive in, gather all the ingredients you'll need. For our savory, succulent turkey breast, you'll need a beautiful turkey breast, of course. Then gather some olive oil, a medley of herbs and spices such as thyme, paprika, seasoned salt, onion powder, liquid smoke, and poultry seasoning. Don't forget the garlic powder, a dash of salt, and a sprinkle of pepper. Remember, using savory spices will always give your dish that extra burst of flavor, making it even more memorable. With these simple ingredients, you're on your way to a holiday feast. Now it's time to prep your turkey. Let's kick things off by preheating the oven to a toasty 375 degrees. While that's warming up, give your turkey breast a thorough rinse under cool water. Once it's squeaky clean, pat it dry. For our next trick, we're going to create a mouth-watering rub from herbs, spices, and garlic powder. Remember, the key to a savory, succulent turkey lies in this very preparation. Your turkey is now prepped and ready for the oven. Next, we'll bake the turkey to perfection. Set your oven to a cozy 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's preheated, slide in your turkey breast. You're going to want to let it bake for about 20 minutes per pound. Remember, basting is key to a juicy, flavorful bird. Using the juices at the bottom of the pan, give it a good bath every half hour. This will ensure your turkey stays moist and doesn't dry out. And just like that, your turkey is cooked to perfection. Finally, it's time to serve your masterpiece. Let it rest a few minutes, then slice to reveal that succulent interior. Pair it with buttery mashed potatoes, yeast rolls, and vibrant green beans. There you have it, a savory, succulent turkey breast that's sure to be the star of your holiday table. Enjoy your meal.